If you're looking to get in touch with Upwork customer support and need help navigating their live chat, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of contacting Upwork customer support in 2024. Let's dive right in. Start by visiting the Upwork website at upwork.com. Now log into your account. Log into your Upwork account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom of the home page. You'll find a link for help and support in the footer. Click on it to access the support page. On the help and support page, you'll see various options for getting assistance. To initiate a live chat with Upwork customer support, click on Contact Support or Get Help. You may be prompted to select a category or issue related to your question. This helps Upwork direct your query to the right team. Choose the category that best fits your situation. After selecting the appropriate category, look for the live chat option. Click on it to start a chat session with a support representative. If live chat isn't available, you might see an option to request a callback or send an email instead. If live chat isn't available, or if you prefer other option, you can also browse the Upwork Help Center for articles and FAQs that might answer your questions. Sometimes you'll find the solution you need without having to contact support directly. And that's it. You now know how to contact Upwork customer support and use their live chat feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.